The house is located on a triangular plot of land at the corner of a traffic circle in a new urban area in Thai Binh province, northern Vietnam. The area is known for its rice production, and the house is home to a three-generation family: grandparents, parents, and two young children. The design challenge was to create a space that took advantage of the natural elements while maintaining privacy in a triangular location. The solution was a double-skin facade system, consisting of an outer layer of concrete blocks for security and an atrium garden. The living spaces are placed deeper to reduce the direct impact of traffic and sunlight. The interior space is designed to enhance family communication and connection with the garden. The stairs are in the inner atrium. The second floor has a small open library that touches the garden and buffer space. The concrete blocks on the facade have 3D rice grain-shaped cavities, a symbol of pride in this area as a major rice producer in Vietnam. The combination of solid and hollow blocks allows for wind, light, and privacy. The light passing through these cavities creates dynamic shadows in the interior space, creating a rice grain garden atmosphere that changes with the time of day and season, providing positive energy for the occupants. The triangular atrium is connected to the kitchen on the first floor through a narrow corridor without having to enter the house. The kitchen, dining, and living areas feel spacious and are directly connected to the garden. This buffer space also supports air circulation, protects and cools the interior. The second and third floors have balconies facing the garden for family relaxation. Private bedrooms are located on the second and third floors, equipped with a small courtyard. The front bedroom is covered by an additional door for security, ventilation, and natural lighting.